Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about Hindi language. Number 1. Hindi is one of the official languages of India. Number 2. It belongs to the Indo-Aryan branch of the Indo-European language family. Number 3. Hindi is a phonetic language. Number 4. Hindi is known for its unique and beautiful sounds. Number 5. It uses the Devanagari script for writing. Number 6. Hindi has a rich literary tradition dating back centuries. Number 7. Learning Hindi helps us understand Indian culture. Number 8. Many online resources are available for learning Hindi. Number 9. It is easy to pronounce Hindi words. Number 10. Hindi is spoken by millions of people worldwide. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.